Assalamu alaikum. Most of us know that AI powered chatbots and few other things have taken us by storm in recent days. Especially ChatGPT is said to be revolutionizing the interaction of humans with AI. If the artificial intelligence is growing and is encompassing never thought of avenues, then definitely we need a counter of it as well. Recently got hyped ChatGPT is being used by writers, academicians, bloggers, copywriters, and many others to generate text on any required topic. However, sometimes it is not desired to use AI for generating such text. So, how can we detect whether the generated text has come from an AI chatbot or a human? In this video, I am going to show you how to do that. To counter ChatGPT generated text, a machine learning researcher has created a similar AI to detect AI generated text, and it's named as GPT-Zero. You can access this GPT-Zero by going to gptzero.me and you will land on this page. You can scroll down and then you'll find a try it button over here. Click on it and it will take you to the main software. Here it is. This is the main interface. You just need to input the text over here. I've already written some text on these topics. One of them is neural networks, so I'm going to copy and paste it over here. After that, you have to press Control plus Enter. It will take some time and it will analyze this text. You can scroll down to read what are these things, that how this algorithm is working. And then at the end, you will find get GPT-0 result. If you see these balloons, it means that this algorithm has figured out whether the text is human generated or computer generated. You can see that it has detected that the text is likely human generated. Now let us use the same topic and use the ChatGPT to generate some text on this topic. I have asked the ChatGPT to describe neural networks in 200 words. So it has done something. I'm going to copy this text and paste it in the GPT-0 field. So after pasting it, I once again have to press Control Enter. It will take some time and let's scroll down. Click on Get GPT-0 result and once again you are seeing the balloons and it has detected that it is AI generated text. Now let us test this thing on another topic written on Introduction to Robotics course. I've written it already. Now I'm going to paste it once again over here. Press Ctrl Enter once again. Scroll down and click on Get GPT-0 result once again. And you can see that it has once again detected that it is a human generated text. Now once again I'm going to go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to write something similar, and I've asked introduce an undergrad robotics course in 250 words. I'm going to copy this thing and paste it over here. After pasting, once again you have to press Ctrl Enter. Once again it will take some time. Scroll down and click on Get GPT-0 result. Once again it has detected that it was an AI generated text. Keep this thing in mind that GPT-0 will not work every time, especially when you provide it with less amount of text.
In my experience, you have to provide at least 200 words.
Before it can efficiently detect whether it was written by a human or AI generated. Let me emphasize this point by giving it a short intro to robotics course. And now when I'll run it, you will see that it was not able to detect whether it was a human or AI generated text. So it will ask you to input some more text. So learners, you can easily use this GPT-0 interface to detect whether the text which has been submitted to you or which you are seeing was computer generated, that is AI generated or human generated. Thank you and take care.